GMC Acadia Troubleshooting, expert tips for quick fixes. Common GMC Acadia issues include transmission problems and electrical faults. Regular maintenance can help prevent these issues. The GMC Acadia is a popular midsize SUV known for its spacious interior and advanced features. Despite its popularity, owners often face issues such as transmission problems, electrical faults, and engine performance concerns. Troubleshooting these problems early can save time and money. Regular maintenance, including fluid checks and software updates, can mitigate many common issues. Understanding the vehicle's warning signs, like unusual noises or dashboard alerts, helps in early detection. Professional diagnostics are crucial for accurate problem solving. Ensuring a well-maintained GMC Acadia enhances performance and longevity, providing a reliable driving experience. GMC Acadia common engine issues. The GMC Acadia is a reliable SUV, but it can have engine problems. Knowing these common issues helps you keep your vehicle in good shape. Below, we cover some frequent engine issues. 1. Stalling problems. 2. Oil leaks. GMC Acadia transmission troubles. The GMC Acadia is a popular SUV. Like all vehicles, it can face issues. One common problem is transmission troubles. This section will help you identify and solve these problems. 1. Shifting difficulties. 2. Fluid leaks. GMC Acadia electrical system faults. The electrical system in your GMC Acadia is complex and vital. It powers everything from the engine to the lights. Electrical faults can cause many issues, affecting the car's performance and safety. Here, we focus on 2 common electrical system faults: battery drain and faulty wiring. 1. Battery drain. 2. Faulty wiring. GMC Acadia brake system concerns. The brake system in your GMC Acadia is crucial for safety. Addressing brake issues promptly can prevent accidents. This guide will help you troubleshoot common brake system concerns. 1. Squeaky brakes. GMC Acadia suspension and steering. The suspension and steering systems are crucial for a smooth and safe ride. They ensure the vehicle handles well and provides comfort. Issues in these systems can lead to a rough ride or steering problems. Let's explore common issues and troubleshooting tips. 1. Rough ride. Steering wheel vibration. GMC Acadia climate control issues. Climate control issues can make driving the GMC Acadia uncomfortable. These problems include the air conditioner not cooling and the heater not working properly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix these common issues. 1. AC not cooling. 2. Heater problems. GMC Acadia dashboard warning lights. Your GMC Acadia's dashboard warning lights are crucial. They alert you to potential issues. Ignoring them can lead to serious problems. This guide will help you understand 2 common lights: the check engine light and the ABS light. 1. Check engine light. 2. ABS light. GMC Acadia routine maintenance tips. Regular maintenance keeps your GMC Acadia running smoothly. Simple tasks can prevent major problems. Here, we cover essential tips to keep your Acadia in top shape. 1. Regular oil changes. 2. Tire rotation. Frequently asked questions about GMC Acadia. How do I reset the GMC Acadia radio? To reset the GMC Acadia radio, turn off the vehicle. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. The radio should reboot. What causes GMC Acadia transmission problems? Common causes include low transmission fluid, worn-out components, or software issues. Regular maintenance can help avoid these problems. Why is my GMC Acadia overheating? Overheating can be due to a faulty thermostat, low coolant levels, or a malfunctioning radiator. Check these components regularly. How can I fix GMC Acadia electrical issues? Electrical issues can often be resolved by checking the battery, fuses, and wiring. If unsure, consult a professional mechanic. Conclusion about GMC Acadia. Troubleshooting your GMC Acadia can be straightforward with the right guidance. Regular maintenance and timely repairs ensure optimal performance. Address issues promptly to avoid bigger problems. Use this guide to keep your Acadia running smoothly. Stay proactive and enjoy a reliable driving experience. Keep your vehicle in top shape with these tips.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.